Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is lesson 15, and we're going to learn the following things in lesson 15. The plural of anti is antunna. So in the last lesson we learned that anta, the plural was antum, and for females, antunna. Who are you sisters? Man antunna ya akhawati. Who are you sisters? Nahnu banatul imam. We are the imam's daughters. The plural of ki, your, feminine singular is kunna. أين بيتكن يا سيدات? Where is all of your houses? Okay, so kunna, when you're talking to females, where is or where is your all of your houses, O ladies? بيتنا قريب من المسجد. Our house is close to the masjid. We have learned that the habti, you went, is feminine singular. Its plural is the habtunna. So أين ذهبتن يا أخوات? Where did all of you go, O sisters? And for brothers, أين ذهبتم يا إخوان? So when talking solely to sisters, you would use the word ذهبتن. قبل means before, بعد means after. They are always مضاف, and the noun following them is in the genitive case. بعد الدرس قبل الصلاة. Now this is not entirely correct. They are not always mudaf. Sometimes qablu and ba'du comes by itself. But in that case, it won't have a fatha on it. It's going to have a dhamma on it. So that is a different rule, but this point here, they are always mudaf, is not necessarily true. Sometimes the mudaf ilayh is not mentioned, so therefore you can say that it's still mudaf, but with the mudaf ilayh not mentioned. So بعد الدرس, after the lesson, قبل الصلاة, before the prayer, and in most cases بعد and قبل is going to have fatha on it. Why? Because it is referring to the time or place. So therefore anything that does that, in most cases it will take a fatha. رجع, he returned. رجع الإمام من المسجد. Has the imam returned from the masjid? ذهبت إلى المسجد قبل الأذان ورجعت بعد الصلاة. I went to the masjid before the salat. So ذهبت, I went to the masjid قبل الأذان, before the adhan. ورجعت, and I returned. Here's that verb again. رجعت بعد الصلاة, after salat. New vocabulary. Cairo, Al-Qahira. Al-Usbu' means week. الدرس, lesson. الآن, now. الاختبار, examination.